So all the windows are boarded up. Guys, welcome back to another hurricane vlog. Right now me and Rihanna's grandfather are going to board up the windows, even though the storm is kind of moving away from us slowly. I really hope that stays there. You know, we're still kind of expecting heavy winds and stuff, so we're gonna board up the windows just to be on the safe side, because you never know what's gonna happen. So we're gonna board up windows, and today's the first day I didn't have to work like 10-hour shifts, which was nice. I got to take off early so I can get some stuff done around the house, which would be nice. So yeah, let's go do all that stuff. Alright, so we got a nice big piece of wood here, already measured and everything, so we're good and ready to go to get these windows boarded up. And you can see the wind's already picking up. Okay guys, so we got all the wood cut, and now we're just hanging it up on the windows now. We need to get tape measure and a pencil. So all the windows are boarded up, except for the bottom ones there, because these two chairs go in front of that. So we don't have to worry about that as much. But our all our other windows are boarded up. These ones and this one here are all boarded up, and I'm not too worried about my car because I don't think anything can fall on it besides maybe power lines, and maybe some of those tree limbs could get taken up and blown over, but I'm not too worried about that. The wind's not too strong right now, just a little bit strong. It looks like there's some clouds rolling in there. But other than that, doesn't look like too much could happen. I got a lot of sawdust on my camera, but doesn't look like too much could happen. So we are prepared. This is day 4, and the track has changed a little bit for this storm. I don't want to show you guys that map just because it kind of shows where I'm located. Okay, I can show you this one just because it's not too much. Because you guys know I'm in like the Orlando area anyways. So that's how it's heading right now. We're still in it, so we're still gonna catch the wind and stuff, and rain of course. So that's all still coming in towards us. So it should be interesting either way. And apparently there's a storm behind Dorian, so we're gonna catch one of them. We're gonna get hit with one. So I'm not too sure which one, but it's gonna be one of them. Guys, I have to go get stuff for dinner. So that's done. We're gonna have hamburger bite things. They look pretty good, so that's what's for dinner tonight. But I think I'm gonna go set up some cameras outside again. I don't think it's gonna rain, but I'm gonna go set some up just to get the sunset again. I'm probably gonna put my phone on this one again, or I'll just try and see if I can get like record it and decide to do its thing again. So we're gonna go see what we can get. Alright guys, so I'm gonna set the GoPro. Maybe right here. I'm just gonna put it up on the roof right here. Yeah? Hopefully it works. Okay, so I decided to put day 4 and 5 Yeah, something like that. Because I didn't record day 3, so yesterday was 4, today's 5. So I decided to put day 4 and 5 together just because yesterday's vlog was super short because we were doing that. As you can see, that's all boarded up now. So all our windows are boarded up, so now I have things charging. This is charging, of course my iPhone, my computer's charging. I'll charge up the phone later, which is almost dead already, but I'll charge that up. But we got our power bank, so we're gonna have that charging. We're gonna go get some more stuff for the house. I guess that's what Rihanna and her mom want to do, so we're gonna go do that. Hi Nova. Hi vlog. Now it's getting pretty big. It's getting here pretty quick. But so we're pretty much ready. I think I got all my batteries on my cameras charged, so we're set with that. I'm honestly not too sure what this one's set at. This one's charged, and I have 2 batteries for this, and I have 2 batteries for my GoPro. I mean, that's Sony. So we got this camera ready to go. This camera's pretty much probably ready to go. If not, we got chargers, and we got the power bank. So I don't know if I'm probably gonna unplug my systems once it starts getting pretty bad out, which is tomorrow sometime. They haven't said anything about my jobs closing yet. I know we closed some stores closer on the coast, but this storm's coming. It's getting close. Last night it changed paths again. Let's see. Okay, it came back in on us, so it'll probably be here. It'll be here soon before we know it. But I'm probably gonna charge my headphones. So I have them. She's shaking my brownie up. No! This kid, man, let me tell you. She likes to destruct things. But the room's clean. My boxes are still on the floor though. But yeah, so this window's boarded up, so nothing will hit this glass. So we're pretty much set for what's gonna happen, hopefully. Like I said, I got my batteries charged for my cameras. I'm gonna recheck this one because I'm not too sure. But everything's pretty much set and ready to go. We're ready for this hurricane. A little hurricane tropical storm, which is still going to be pretty heavy. I work tomorrow, but I'm not too sure what's going to be happening for tomorrow, to be honest. I gotta save on my phone and everything to see what happens. And if it gets too bad, I'm not risking my life to go to work. So that's gonna have to be taken care of. So it just started to rain again. This is like the 5th time it's rained today. So I think I'm gonna go put the GoPro outside again just to try and capture some of the rainstorms, because it's probably gonna start getting pretty bad around this time now, just because the storm's slowly starting to come in now. So I'm gonna put shoes on and then we'll go take a step outside. Fuck! The battery's gonna die! This one's not charged. So I gotta switch these out and get this one charged. Okay, so I'm gonna set up the GoPro real quick and run outside and get this outside to get some some shots of the rain. Okay, so I came outside and it's kind of stopping to rain, but it's not gonna stop me from putting this GoPro out there. Okay, so it's not raining out here. I can show you guys real quick the sky. Like how dark this sky looks. Like it's blue over there-ish. Then it's dark, 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 dark. You got some patches of blue here. Then you got this real dark clouds. So that's what I'm gonna record right now. But first we gotta go into the settings and turn off the timestamp. So I wonder if I start recording and then try to connect it to Wi-Fi. No, it's not gonna do nothing. Shit, this battery's gonna die too, but once I put it on the computer later, it should be good, hopefully. But I hope it starts to rain again. We still have the 2 hours. We still have 2 hours of record time on this. So I hope it rains again. It's kind of dark over there. So yeah, so let's hope this will do a good job and get some good shots. So I tried to connect that camera to the Wi-Fi using the app, which is called iSmart TV. Which is this app, but for some reason I can't get it to connect, which sucks because I want it to work. Oh, sorry guys. I worked all day today again, so, but right now the GoPro's just sitting out there chilling on the tripod. But yeah, so I'm gonna probably go take a picture of the GoPro out there with this cloud behind it, just to make it a damn, I got a pimple, to make it a thumbnail or something. Alright, so good news. It's raining again. And you guys can't even see it on camera. What if I change the setting? You can kind of see it. That's coming off my house. If I go this way. Yeah, there you guys go. You can see it there. But it's raining, so the camera is getting some good stuff right now, hopefully. I don't think I have it up as much on the angle this time. I'm gonna have to get a towel to dry off my tripod again.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love